Jay back for Wix Wires at FAT again, and today we've actually got an unboxing of a pretty cool brand new Alpine product. So let's have a look. So this is the brand new VE Series 1 kit that Alpine has literally just dropped on us. This is pretty damn cool. I know it actually has a 6-inch touchscreen in it. So let's get this thing out and have a look. Got him! That's going to be our main fascia. I'm not going to pull him out yet, we'll wait for that. And wow, that is one serious bit of bracket.
And that's nice and thick too.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
That's actually a really solid construction.
No, that's really solid. Like,
it's not just like a pressed
no
0.5mm plate.
That's actually, have a look, that's actually like 3mm thick.
Okay,
2mm thick, yeah. Maybe 2.5. I'll call it in the middle.
Yep. That's awesome. That's next level.
That is serious. Now, I know that all the Alpine fascias are generally quite an expensive fascia, but there's a reason for it. There is not one fascia I know of that comes with a proper folded aluminium bracket like that. Like, that's serious. Hang on, that's not even aluminium, that's steel. So, aside from that and our wiring, USB, a couple brackets. So that I will need, because we will power this thing up and have a look at what the screen looks like. That's the bit I'm kind of excited about. So let's get this stuff out of the way and get the main show out of the packet. Woo! Look at that. Now that's very, very cool. You can see we've actually got basically like a 6-inch touchscreen loaded into the bottom of this, which is going to do all of your climate controls, your car controls, all sorts of fun little things. And I know that Alpine have done some tricky little bits in here too, so we'll see what we can find when we power the thing up. But that is a very, very nice fascia. And of course, all the construction of it is killer. Again, like I was saying, you know, you do pay for these Alpine kits, but they are worth every cent of it. There you go. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is a good looking fascia. Awesome. All right, let's get this thing powered up, see what the screen looks like. And there we go, we have power. That is one killer looking screen. All right, and there it is, powered up. So let's have a bit of a poke through some of the functions. So this is our main sort of screen. You can see you've got RPM, kilometers an hour, acceleration and brake dials, and then we've got temperature and voltage and battery percentage in the bottom corners here. So from there, we can basically hit our home button, and now that's going to bring up all our climate control. So you can see that that's our fan speed over this side and our temperature control over this side. Again, we can actually bring up our voltage and our battery percentage down the bottom there, and you do have a soft key to just go straight to your aircon up the top. So aside from that, now some of the customization we can do is go into our menu here. We can change our startup screen, we can change our display colors. So you've got a couple of just preset colors, but of course we can now just hit custom and you can pick whatever color you like. So let's go yellow, because why not? Right, so from there we can save that and go back, and that's going to hold our color in there. Obviously we do have some other bits and pieces in here, and you can select what transmission is actually on the car, and we even have a shift light. Yeah. We can also bring up our car information. Now this will also bring in your VIN code, so we'll actually give you what body, engine, power, all the above that your car has. So yes, very, very nice. And that's the majority of our main functions of this thing. What a beautiful screen it's actually got. The fascia quality is absolutely awesome, and it's all integrated. So that's killer. Awesome, awesome. Like and subscribe, I'll be back soon. I hope you liked my video on the kit. With any luck, we actually get to install one pretty soon, which would be cool. And if that happens, you'll see it here. No worries, guys. See you next time. Bye.